So I don't need an intro here. Let's just do some replay on something very simple, random bar, 1 hour. I'll look for pullback. I'll use the EMA, okay? And I'll use the RSI. I'll look for divergence. And when price is breaking high and low and I see it on a direction according to the 220, I'll just take it, okay? So here we have a momentum. We broke low here and we broke a high, okay? So far it looks like it could go up. I put the fib, and then when it goes down, I need to see a divergence. And we have a divergence, like not yet actually. Okay, now we have a divergence by, I don't know if I should do this buy thing because it will not be where I always put it. So yeah, let's just put it at 0.5, okay? But for the record, we will keep it like that, okay? So it's my first trade. It's ranging, so it's not amazing. It's really not amazing. So let's see. Okay, we got it. So we got a 1-to-1 type. Ideally, I take the 618. Oh, sorry, it's reversed here. You see, reversed, so ignored. But I can take off the 618 as it's reversed and keep the 0.5 basically. I could even, you know, just take this, but I'll keep the 0.5 in some time I want to take 1-to-1, okay? I can take this off. And you'll see how confident I go with things simply because, okay, here we broke. Now I can broke a high, broke a low, okay? And here I can look, is there a divergence? Yes, we have a divergence. Should I take it? No, because we just, it's very close, you know, and right away we reject the crossing. For me, it's not safe, so I will not take it, okay? I just wanted to show you how, so here we break a low and a high, how confident you can be if you document your shit, right? So by meaning document is that you do the labor of taking time to make your research on historical data without having to backtest yet. It's the first reflex that everyone has, okay? So here, no divergence. Yeah, no divergence, and now look at it. I mean, it went to TP, but honestly, for me, that was a bit sketchy. I would have been here for hours, so forget it. Did we break any low here? No. Not what I know of. Okay, we went down. So here we break a high, here we break a low. Okay. Do we cross before? That would be nice. Yeah, we do cross. We don't go, okay, we continue, so I'll keep it. Here we start to diverge, you see, we start to diverge. Maybe I will not get the chance. Here we diverge well. Okay, I'll take sell here. Tip SL, so I mean, I will take more in consideration those. I would usually put at 1,618, but it's not usual. Like if I feel like entering right away, I will do it. So it's not too bad that, okay, you see I will have entered and will have been break even. Huh? So yeah, it will have been break even for this. I will have take off here. Why? Because we made most of the place, and many times we do reject before. So you see break even. Not too bad, not too bad, not too bad. So it's the second trade only, okay. So I'll try to be more efficient. We broke low here and we broke high. Okay, cool. Are we diverging? Nope, we don't diverge. So you see, I don't even look at levels. If you've seen my free course, where I share you all my strategy, I look at levels too. But here it was just to show you something very simple. EMA 20, EMA 200, go with a trend. I mean, this is rangy here. And look for divergence, and you'll be good to go. I mean, it's so simple that it makes me laugh because bye. We are diverging. Not sure about this one though. Not sure about this one. It's not really trending. Whew! We got lucky. We got lucky. Look at this. So yeah, a little thing that I want to tell you. I mean, here we literally got lucky. But make sure to always put some points below or above the high or the low, okay? Also, I'm sorry, I don't know how much. We had a low here that we broke low, break high. Okay, are we diverging? No, it was not finished, that's why. Okay, that's a big ass thing. I'm not sure I'll take it. Yeah, it's continuing. So I'm only looking at breaks of highs and lows. Like before, when I used to do pullbacks full time, when I was just funded. Here we go. So here, break the low, and now we want to see a divergence. So definitely, but what's annoying is how big it is. I don't like it. I don't like it at all. It's too big. Here it doesn't diverge, but here it diverges like crazy. Allez, go to 618 and we see. Yeah. Allez, bye. I mean, it's fun because we do it here for the, how it's called, backtest. But honestly, in reality, it's more than a swing trade. This is it's called boring live trade. Okay, let's go. Let's do it. Ooh, that's a loss. Ooh, that's a loss. Yeah, it's a loss. Okay, cool. So I juggle between 1 to 1 and 1.6. If you would like to be more mechanical, I would strongly advise you, it's diverging here. Would strongly advise you to go for sell. For mechanical, so look for 1 to 1, 1.6, you know. It's a bit more difficult to do it. It's a bit more difficult because you'll get more losses and you'll get more disappointed. So yeah. I train my clit up. Here we go, we have it. The ideal of ideal, I will say, guys, is to hold. Either you hold. Did we break? Either you hold, and it's either win or loss. It's much better for your psychology. It's much better for your mindset as a trader. And you see, I made a very precise rule. It's quite easy. Break off highs and lows. Go with the trend of the EMA. Look for divergence for that pullback. Like this, I don't FOMO on all this because you could tell me, wow, like you could have made like, you know, but you know, you won't have them all the time. So why would you want it? It makes no sense. Makes no sense, literally. When did we break the high lately? Here we didn't break it, so we're still up there. Yeah, it's still up there. It's too long, too big. Okay, here we are down on the EMA, so like I was going to say a bad word, so F it. Here we cross, we broke the low here? Not really. Also, the goal of a backtest is that you test what you did with your, yeah, there is no break of low. This is yeah, I mean, Yeah, slightly. It's not amazing. What I was saying? Yep, you usually backtest when you see a video. It's a bit stupid, this I have to say, because you don't have the confidence and you don't really know what you're doing. Even though you think you will build your your confidence through backtesting, it's actually not the case. You will build confidence. That was amazing. Oof, oh, I should have taken so much more. You should build your confidence out of documentation. Because I will advise you a video that I've watched lately that's super interesting called Mass Amnesia. Just type Mass Amnesia and you have a very good, it's been some days ago, as it's 22nd June that I'm recording this. Yeah, it's great. Like about our brain being rusting, no, how do you say, rotting through what we are living right now. It's so true, so freaking true. I'm not so fan of this big one, so I'm just waiting. So anyway, it's all about coming back to the base, right? And you are usually wanting to have a back test to make you feel you do something. But actually, it's not what you need for a trading career. What you need for a trading career, we broke a low, is and a high also. Let's see if we diverge. No, we don't. We don't diverge, so nothing. And it's okay if I have it. Well, it's all good. I didn't share about divergence. But yeah, so sorry, as I'm doing several things, talking and backtesting at the same time. The goal of you being confident in the market is through understanding and acknowledging what has been done before. If you see it once, okay, we broke. We are in a bearish situation here. Did we break any low here? Yeah, it's here. So this will be here because we break here the high. Sorry, it's big. I don't like it. Are we diverging? I forgot. Yeah, freaking diverging. Okay, let's see if we get to 0.618. I want 0.618. Oh, it's too big. It's it's so extended, this consolidation. I will just pass to another pair all that time. The nice thing with 618 and those conditions is that you can put limit order. Yeah, so here, if you just backtest because you saw me doing this, you're like, oh, will it work? And you want to feed your, we broke a high here? No. Yes, high here, okay. You want to feed your dopamine level by doing something, right? And think, oh, will I win? Like it's just this addiction to winning, you know? And it's not good. It's really not good. You want to prepare yourself to the boring work for you to really understand what's happening and then you act. Diverging. Allez, sell. Let's not be, because documentation is documentation. I will keep it for track record here. I don't know how many trades we did. I wanted to do quite a bit with you to show you, but if I feel bored doing, oh wow, okay, break even. This was quite a gap. Yeah, we'll see how it goes. Always patience. So when on ICT, smart money, everything you want, they talk about liquidity is basically retest of 0.5. 618 is very common. But if you have your entry at 618, I will tell you something. It's a pretty good entry to break even. If you enter at 0.5, it's not a good entry to to break even. It's either or. But again, I think for you, it's much better that you take either loss or not. Break even makes you safe in the moment, but it's actually making you losing money most of the time. Remember this, okay? You have different schools all the time. Don't get me wrong, but still. For me, I think if you look for something mechanical, if you not like trade a Tom, if you're not like Al Brooks, where there is so much nuances to your trades, then, you know, then don't play too much around with your stop. Okay, we tried. Where did we break the low lately? Yeah, it was here. Then we broke those highs here. And then we made a low and we broke the low, okay. But we barely just crossed and it crossed again. But it's not even diverging anyway. Let's look at it. Yeah, no, it's not diverging. Not taking it. Break. Break. Cool. We break. I think I missed it actually. Oh, didn't go to where we wanted, so okay. We break another low here, another high, sorry, here, so we could go here. Let's see if we get a divergence. Where is it? Yeah, it's here. So I will not put limit or like you have time. That's the nice thing with it. Yeah, it's diverging slowly but surely. Yeah, I think we missed the move maybe. Or? Okay, we have it. Yeah. Well, sorry, but you know that I was looking for 1618 here. So what the thing is that when you go fast, you need to spot the divergence very quickly, right? But when you are with 1 hour, like you have time to spot it. Oh, too bad. Okay, cool. Here we crossed now up. That maybe was my mistake, actually. Could have been my mistake on the 200. But you see, I went a bit quick then. Latest low broken here. And we broke the high. Let's look at when we broke a low now. Break a low here. Amazing. So it will be here to here. And we are diverging indeed, Mr. and Mrs. Mrs. and Mr. Sorry, because I don't want to get the feminist around my ass. So let's look if I can get... Oh, yep, I got it. Whatever, I entered too late on this shit. Like, it's really shit. TradingView will put the limit order. They will erase FX replay. Literally. They just need this, and they erase it. So what's the best way to hold this long? Because you will tell me it's like it's 1 hour candle. So, well, close your MetaTrader, whatever you use, and just have a life. You know, put an alert, and then the more you'll forget. Oh, whoa! The more you forget about it, you'll be fine. You know, you'll be fine. So yeah, it took what? 18, 20. Well, it took quite shit long time, but just forget about it because you know how it works. You know, there's no other way. Blue. Alors, where did we break the low yet? Like here, okay, and here we break a low here. Then see, break a low, break of a low, and now we want a divergence, and we have it. Wow, okay, we have it. So far, we seem a bit profitable. I don't know what you think. I don't know how we can get the result after that. Can I just like stop it and replay trading? Oh, okay, cool. 77%. Okay. I mean, it's not a lot of trades, so I can just show off on freaking YouTube. I just wanted to see risk performance ratio, profit factor 2.3, which is good. But I wanted to see average R. Did I miss something here? Ah, no, 0.6. I don't know. This is very practical. I'm telling you, TradingView, you just need to freaking do the limit order, and you'll get even more clients. Wait. Yeah, diverge. Okay, let's go. It's a loss. I noticed big like this are not good. We are not very good with the big ones. We break a high, so now we want to break another high here. Allez. Oh, bitch. Okay, here. So we break a high, we break another high, and it's again a massive one. I don't like it. I'll skip those. It's ranging. Okay. Break a high. And we broke another high. That is small. Do we? So, let's see. Oi. Yeah, we diverge, but not that confident anymore, so I'll skip it. But lucky on this one. It's because of a big one. Oh, we cross now? And we went. So let's see where it went. No, it just took the liquidity of the range. So here it's pretty good. Let's hope to have a divergence. I don't like this formation too much, I have to say. Oi. Yeah. It's crossing again. F it. Here we broke a low, so we need another here. No, not yet. It's too early yet. So the nice thing with this, that's why I show it to you, you only need one time frame. It's very practical. One time frame, nothing else. You don't need to complicate yourself. It doesn't break a low, this one. Break the low, and then we talk. Yeah, okay, break the low, but you're too deep, so it doesn't work. So you see, like the fact that I get a bunch of rules just makes the thing so different. Where did we break the high here? Now we need to break another high. Let's see. Okay, we broke it here, but it seems to continue. Yeah, this bitch continues. So now we broke it here. So you will tell me that then, Pablo, you get a lot of time where you don't get any trades. True, that's true. Can't deny this. That's why you have 10,000 different pairs. But then does it mean, Pablo, I need to document all the pairs? Yes. And? You want to make money or not? Like you thought making money will require you to not work? Like you want to make more money than your job by doing nothing? Because you're lazy to actually backtest, document everything, then backtest? Come on. Be realistic, okay? Trading is hard. It's not an easy job. It's easy to get wrecked, yeah. It's easy to enter and put your money on it, but to get completely F, this is the easiest. So, yeah, it's obviously diverging. 618, should I take it? Well, it went before, so no. It went at 0.5. And I will have not break even. And let's see if we will have get. Oh my god, like I will get a cramp. Yeah, you will have get. So you see, sometime it goes at 0.5. Sometime. Also here, as I'm going fast, I'm pretty sure I must miss some because we do break some stuff. Oh wow, you can do that. Okay, but hey, doesn't matter, huh? I'm just here to show you how easy it is. Put the work here. Oh. Oh, obviously doesn't look good now. That I went too fast. Here we actually did something. You see, I go too fast. I really go too fast. And we diverge. Yep, we do. Okay. So, well, I will not have had the trade. Well. So maybe if you want to be picky, you take in between. Voilà. Anyway, you got it, no? It's freaking easy. Freaking easy. Nothing to do. You want to do it on the 5 minutes? Well, do it on the 5 minutes, okay. If you want to spend your life on the chart, it's no problem. The nice thing with 1 hour, you have time to think, you have time to have a life, and you don't have to put all your eggs in the same basket on trading, because it's just useless. You can do another business, you can do other stuff that potentially will make you more money, and then you just chill. You know, here, 0.5. Anyway, you got the point, so let's look. How much they do? Overview. Plus 2.58%. It's not too bad, right? I don't know how much I risked, though. I just risked this amount. So I suppose it was a list of trade. Let's see. Do they say how much? Run up, drawdown. Oh, okay. Yeah, it changed because I was not caring of how much I was risking. So anyway, you saw between 1 and 1.5, 1.6. So depends what we get. But I think for me, it's a good equity curve. I mean, it's pretty chill, you know. So you should check it out, this strategy. I actually shared it in a back test. Like this, you understand it better. So break a high and another break of a break a high and low, okay? So if, for example, it breaks a high here, okay, then you will wait for a break of low. And inverse of bearish, we break a high, and then you will wait for breaking another high, okay? So sorry, here it's break a low, break a low, break a high for bearish setup. Then trace your Fibonacci, look for 0.5, 0.618, ideally 0.618, it's always good, and then look for a divergence. And if you have all this, and you are within the trend of the EMA, 20 and 200, you're good to go.